Hi guys, Joe from Pepper in the Woods, and today we're going to look at Mad Dog Survival's fire striker here. So this is a ceramic ferro rod striker, effective all types of ferro rods, greatly increases spark output, has a hardwood handle, paracord lanyard, and he has a YouTube channel which I'll link also below. But I bought this off eBay, and check them out on eBay, but I never used it, brand new. So we're gonna have a look now at different types of tinder and using my normal ferro rod and see where we can start. Right, so let's get going here. Have a little bit of protection over the end there. So that's what you get. You see that pretty clear. So there's a good edge to it. This one there, quite a few edges. Hopefully picked it up. I'm using some new camera kit which I'll will share another video. But so these are what I normally use. That's from Born Survivor Supplies, and then that one's from the Nextland one. Take those off. Oh, go. Alright, so first testing here. Okay, you can see the coating coming off. Pretty easy to do. Let's see. That's like the far side, that's the close side. Yeah, so those two angles there. Yeah, it's pretty good. Let's see. This here is just some fuzzed up fat rope. Oh, just like a strand of it. There you go. So that works. Let's just grab that, get out of the way. Put that down a second. Shoop. Right, so fat rope works, no problem with that. I'm just trying to use up some of the spare tinder I have. This is a ProCam Tech fire plug. All this stuff is great. Just unroll it. Don't even have to effort in fluffing it. ProCam Tech you can get from the Bath Bushcraft shop, which is where I get mine from. So again, yeah, no problem. So pretty easy. The handle's pretty good too, as in I'm far away from all the action. Right. Get rid of this one. And we're still burning pretty good over there. This is my top Tom Brown Bowser Bushcraft one. I beat this up quite regularly, so I don't care about this knife too much. But back to ferro striker. The sides are still pretty sharp. Very good. You can see top bit there, it's all epoxied in, looks like. Yeah, overall nice long lanyard. You can wrap that around, maybe take that, clip it to your bag if you wanted to, leave on the outside and just clip it like so. Up to you, but yeah, it does throw good sparks. So yeah, so again, check him out, Mad Dog Survival, YouTube, and he's on eBay. He also sells a bunch of other items on eBay. Thanks guys for watching. I'll catch you next video.